Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Well, you're not alone. Lack of sleep can seriously impact your daily life and productivity. But don't worry, I've got some great tips for you that can help improve your sleep quality. Today, we're going to talk about melatonin rich foods and its crucial role in regulating our sleep cycles. Melatonin is a hormone that is naturally produced by our bodies to help us fall asleep. But sometimes we may need a little extra boost to increase our melatonin levels for a restful night's sleep. Getting enough melatonin is key to achieving a good night's sleep. When we don't have sufficient melatonin in our system, it can lead to insomnia, difficulty falling asleep, and disrupted sleep patterns. That's why it's important to ensure we're incorporating melatonin-rich foods into our diet. Let's dive into the top 7 melatonin-rich foods that can help improve your sleep quality. If you are finding this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Number 1, pistachios. Pistachios have the highest melatonin content among nuts and provide a plant-based source of protein. Roasting nuts can decrease their melatonin levels, so it's preferable to choose raw varieties. For late-night snacks, a trail mix with nuts might aid in promoting a restful night's sleep. Additionally, pistachios are rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, nutrients associated with improved sleep quality. Number 2, tart cherries. Tart cherries provide a notable amount of melatonin and tryptophan. Studies indicate that consuming tart cherries can enhance total sleep time and sleep quality. Fresh tart cherries are available in the summer, and you can also find them year-round in frozen, dried, and juice forms. Mix tart cherry juice with sparkling water for a fizzy nightcap to support sleep and hydration. Number 3, eggs. Eating eggs in the morning might seem counterintuitive since they contain melatonin, but melatonin also serves as an antioxidant and supports immune health and stress management. It's not just for sleep. Eggs are packed with protein, minerals, and vitamins such as vitamin D. Research shows that low vitamin D levels are linked to poor sleep quality, so maintaining normal levels by eating eggs can be beneficial. Number 4, pineapple. This juicy tropical fruit isn't just deliciously sweet, it's also a natural source of melatonin. Research indicates that eating pineapple can boost the production of serotonin and tryptophan, which are essential for melatonin production. Additionally, pineapple is rich in immune-boosting vitamin C, which also helps increase serotonin, making it a feel-good treat. Number 5, salmon. Renowned for its high levels of omega-3 fats, quality protein, and vitamin D, salmon is also naturally rich in melatonin. Research also indicates that the omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA found in fatty fish like salmon may improve sleep quality. Additionally, a 3-ounce sockeye salmon fillet is an excellent source of vitamin D, which is associated with better sleep when levels are adequate. Number 6, milk. Milk contains both melatonin and tryptophan, the same amino acid in turkey that makes us sleepy after a hearty Thanksgiving meal. Tryptophan aids in the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, and serotonin, a feel-good hormone that also promotes relaxation and sleep. Beyond melatonin, milk offers another sleep benefit. 1 cup provides 50% of your daily vitamin B12 needs. Research suggests that low levels of B12 may be linked to sleep disorders like insomnia. Finally, incorporating a nighttime routine, such as enjoying a warm mug of milk before bed, can signal to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Before we get to our last melatonin-rich food, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us grow our channel and create important, relevant health-related videos for you. Number 7, walnuts. Have you ever noticed that walnuts are shaped like little brains? They actually provide benefits for both brain health and sleep. Research indicates that walnuts may support cognitive function and memory, and they also contain melatonin. A small study found that participants who ate walnuts daily for 8 weeks experienced improvements in sleep latency, the time it takes to fall asleep, total sleep time, and daytime sleepiness. Things to consider. While adding melatonin-rich foods to your diet can aid in better sleep, there are a few things to consider. Timing is crucial. It's best to eat these foods 2 to 3 hours before bed. Consuming large quantities or eating too close to bedtime can hinder high-quality rest and make it more difficult to fall asleep. Also, avoid sleep disruptors like alcohol and caffeine close to bedtime. It can actually reduce melatonin levels. Therefore, it's best to stick to the recommended daily limits for both alcohol and caffeine. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.